Hey, let me show you all box accessories of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. By the way, this one actually comes from the European distribution. So first of all, we'll be able to find here the long cable in the black color with the double USB-C input. That's how it looks. So there's the first accessory. Also, right here we can find ear tips with the two sizes. I'm gonna actually open it and show you. So right here we've got a large and small size. On the earbuds you can find currently medium one as a default. That's basically how it looks on the European distribution. It may actually look a little bit different from your region. And right here inside this card box we can find the user manual, the quick start guide, and the warranty card. And this is it. There's no charger inside, no other accessories. That's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.